Yo guys, Josh here. So today we're talking about the stock market as a whole. I kind of wanted to break a myth that a lot of people have about the stock market too in this video. And that myth is that it takes a lot of money and time to invest in the stock market. I want to tell you that's not true at all. It's actually very, very easy and simple that you can do it. You don't even have to know what you're doing to invest in a very good way in the stock market. So I'm going over the Warren Buffett investment strategy today. If you guys don't know who Warren Buffett is, he is considered one of the most successful investors of all time. He has over 50 years of experience. He is one of the most richest men on the planet as well. So you could definitely say that he is a know-it-all. So two key things in this strategy that you'll notice is that you want to invest for the long term and you don't want to try and beat the market. So to prove those 2 points, Warren Buffett had a little wager back in 2008 that he bet that he can beat people, basically. So in 2008, Warren Buffett wagered $500,000 to bet that 5 actively managed hedge funds combined could not beat the growth of American business as a whole. So 5 actively managed hedge funds. So a hedge fund, really quick to go over that, it's a huge company that hires investing financial geniuses to go and pick out companies and stocks to invest in to make money for them. Now just picture that. 5 of those huge companies, Warren Buffett is betting that they cannot beat just the growth of American business untouched, unmanaged, just by itself. It's a pretty big deal. So Warren Buffett, he considers the S&P 500, which is a fund and an index in itself, portfolio, he considers that index as really American business as a whole. The S&P 500, it is a collection of 500 of the largest companies in the world, basically that they're all condensed to have a little index there. So the average annual return of that just by itself is about 8%, which that's awesome. So to go over what Warren Buffett did, that was a 10-year wager that he has. So he has another year of going over the last 9 years. The S&P 500 indexed, what he wagered, it over tripled what the 5 actively managed hedge funds could do. So right there, that is huge. And he's basically just trying to prove the point that active investing and its high fees are not worth it because you're paying someone to do that investing for you, and that has fees all in itself. So right there, you can already see how Warren Buffett, his strategy is to really just bet on American business that it's going to grow. Over the last 20 plus years, it hasn't gone anywhere. It's continued that 8% return on it. And he's betting, that 5 hedge funds cannot beat the growth of American business. So it's a pretty big deal. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, that's pretty much a fund that you can invest in. Anyone can invest in. They can make an account with Vanguard. They can purchase that ETF. If you put $10,000 in there, it has extremely low fees of like 0.05%, so you'd only be paying $5 a year, basically, for having that in there. And as you can see, the results, even the best investors and stuff, they can't beat the market as a whole. So over just what I said today, it kind of proves that you don't have to be a genius. You don't have to take a lot of time and money to invest in the stock market. Warren Buffett, one of the most richest men on the planet, he does this. That's why he's rich, obviously. And it's very simple. Anyone can do it. You don't even have to know what you're doing to invest this way, and it works. So that's really all I had today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something about it. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.